I think the Royal Enfield light is too bright. HJG is working well. And the time is 6:15. The fogs are building up, and this is why you need to come to Hassan Road morning. And I think people have just started to come so much, man. There's a lot of crowd, lot of rush. People have started to drive, ride. I think rather than motorcycles, cars are big. Alright, so by the way, what a sweet way to welcome back to another vlog, guys. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Yes, another Saturday morning. Yes, different angle. You might see that I still have the KTM. Yes, honestly, two minds to give away the motorcycle. Getting good deals, honestly, but people are just saying, Rakshit, why are you giving? Don't give, just keep it. You might need a secondary motorcycle, whatnot. That's the scenes. Possibly, you never know. This is gonna be my last ride with my KTM as well. Possibly, I don't know. Let's see. Hassan Road. Like I said, ride on this road to improve your skill. There's some issue between the fueling of this motorcycle. See? That is what a cable operated accelerators can make versus the normal what do you call, the ride by wire, whatever. Oh, chindi guru tarak putore ayyo 6R etkonbarbekiತ್ತು ನಾನು. I don't think I will ride till Hassan. By the way, Sanket is along with me. I want to make sure that he keeps up pace with me because we are planning some long rides going forward. Let me know what place we need to go in the comment section. Any good advices will be highly respected and appreciated, of course. But yeah, having said that, Sanket has got like amazing riding gears. Full black, men in black. I think the problem with these roads, right, without the line set is very difficult to even gauge lines and everything. So that is one flaw. I think it works well. Sanket is coming right behind me. Light all off ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು. Cruising is on a different ballgame. Not everyone likes it. Like I said, too much of traffic. I think Saturdays not too many people come out, as far as I realized. Most of the people come on Sundays because not everyone is lucky like me to get an off from the office on Saturday as well, right? So that is another thing. But or maybe it can be too much of stress from Friday as well. So possibly. Man, if I come to Hassan, I feel like getting a 6R. Like I said, I need to update the tire. So I'm actually waiting for that, or else I would have changed it by this time. Oh, boys are ready without riding gears. Seriously? Third gear 100 ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದು. I did not realize that, man, because I don't push my motorcycle too much, isn't it? So, for obvious reasons. I feel like only there's half throttle in my KTM because ishte ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. 6R I think it will go little more. problem is Royal Enfield cannot keep up with the pace of KTM's. That power of that extra horsepower, right? That is something which is so difficult for people to have, or even Royal Enfield. And Royal Enfield, it gets even worse because of the weight of the motorcycle, isn't it? So how many people are sitting inside a car, man? It's not safe. Serri ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ ಮಳೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡು. ದಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ. It's 6:30, 6:20. What a weather, man. This is why we love Bengaluru, guys. It's peak of the summer and it's so cool. This is the new Baleno. By the way, I had a Baleno. Most of the people don't know the story. I sold it in like 3 months because of the build quality, and of course the performance was not there. I got the automatic when I had the fracture. I think road construction on the other side. Tailing cars is the worst thing that you do, because you're not so sure how they would go. And with peak of the traffic, people usually they don't give you so many instructions when they take a left, right or whatever. This is my sweeping corner. You guys know this, right? Alright folks, so like I was saying on this KTM Adventure 390, you guys tell me, should I keep the KTM or not? Let's see what people think. If I go this road, I feel like going out somewhere. The only purpose why I got KTM, I'll tell you. Stay tuned. I'll come back.